with underground actually.
Customer service information. The Waterloo York Road ticket hall is closed until further notice.
I think that's just train station decoration, or even train station has Starbucks and McDonald's too. Starbucks and McDonald's. Let's go out. Oh, chilly outside. Oh, Waterloo station. Jenny's back. So I found out something in here. If I take a train, it's super easy to move to other place. Oh, it means I can visit a lot of places with train. So easy. It's only 90 minutes, right? Where is South Bank? Around here, all this area is South Bank. Go straight. Yes, it's so easy and fast. Oh, and a lot of popular areas has station, right? So super easy to. Wait, I have to send a message to my mom. Oh, I didn't send a message to my mom because I didn't catch my mom's message. It's too late. Just go. Terra Island. Okay. My KakaoTalk is fixed now. So let's go. Looks pretty. Just looks pretty. Go to around the London Eye. Fish and chips. Yeah, fish and chips restaurant. Oh, burgers. Something yummy smell from there. Just movie theater, YouTube.
Hello.
Shildy, thanks for 4 months. Thank you, brother. Hi, what's up?